And let's cover the next part. We're going to start with the man's perspective. Step with the left leg toward the lady, aiming slightly behind her, so to your left. At the same time, switch your hands, placing the lady's right hand in your right hand, like you're shaking hands. Then continue leading the right hand forward in front of yourself, then above the lady's head, leading her clockwise rotation, shifting your body weight to the right leg, ending up with your right hand in front of the lady. Let's go over this again to focus on the steps. Left leg, right one toward the audience, passing the lady, connect your feet, right hand goes in front of the lady. And the lady's perspective. Rotate clockwise, taking 4 steps in front of the man. Start with the right leg and right, left, right, left. You can end up with your right leg slightly in front of yourself. This will help you keep the balance after the rotation. Now both partners are taking a step backward with the right leg. This is a preparation for the next part. Now man is going to move in front of the lady. Step with the left leg in front of her. Bend your right knee, push off the right leg onto the left one. Pass the lady's hand behind your back to your left hand. Take a small step with the right leg to the right side and rotate on the right leg, at the same time raising your left hand above the lady's head. She's going to rotate counterclockwise, and you will take a side step to your left side, creating the frame, ending up on your left leg with your left knee bent and with your back to the audience. Now the lady's perspective. Step backward with the right leg. Make sure to bend your knee during this step. At the same time, rotate your body slightly clockwise. From that point, you're going to rotate counterclockwise. Start with a step forward with the left leg and left. Let the partner pass your hand behind his back and take a step with the right leg. He's going to raise his hand. You need to wait for his hand to pass your head. Then continue your rotation, taking a step with the left leg. Bend your left knee and together with the partner take a side step to your right side, ending up in the frame position. 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3,